my dear students and parents. Welcome to our Sri Rudra Medical Academy, Kannur and Vijayawada branch. Today, we are going to discuss what are the chances to getting MBBS seats through NEET 2020 and what are the possibilities in 2021. Acha, before the discussion of this NEET orientation for the students and parents, let me introduce myself. This is Krishna Prasad. Previously, I worked as senior professor in Akash Education Institution in Chemistry Department, and also I worked as assistant director in Gujarat as well as in Andhra Pradesh, again in Akash only. I have more than 18 to 19 years teaching experience. I produced so many IITians and MBBS doctors throughout my career. So I can produce below 10th ranks also in my previous institutions. Chalo, now I started this Sri Rudra Medical Academy 2 years back in Vijayawada at Kannur. I am proudly say that within the 2 years span of the time, we produced more than 100 plus medical seats. That too only with long-term students. We have no intermediate classes, we have no other branches, only one branch, that too long-term students. We can produce more than 100 plus medical seats. This is only a 2 years span. With only 2 years time we produced it. In this connection, I would like to say thanks to all my colleagues, my staff members and supporting staff who supported a lot, and also my special thanks to our beloved parents who are supported us to encourage us to produce the best results. Now, in NEET orientation program, I would like to explain that. So, what are the scenario of 2020 and 2021 only? Acha, forever my perception and my knowledge. Acha, 2020 NEET exam. In NEET exam, how many students are appeared? Acha, I am comparing 2019 and 2020. Acha, in 2020-2019, around 14 lakhs students are registered, whereas 2020 around 15.5 lakh. Almost 2 lakh students are difference are there. In 2019, 40 lakh students are registered, whereas 2020, almost 16 lakh students are registered. 2 lakh students are difference. Means competition is become very tough from year to year only. Right? In Andhra, I am telling you, in Andhra, 2019, in Andhra, around 58 students are registered, whereas 2020, this number is slightly increases to around 62,000. Actually, in Andhra Pradesh, the difference is 4,000 students. Might be these 4,000 students are repeated students only, long-term students also. And now, what are the possibilities and how many marks are required in order to join best medical college? Just briefly I can explain to you. Mostly in government medical college. I am telling about government medical college. Number of seats are the throughout India. Number of seats are around 40,000 in government college. Acha, in private medical college, number of seats are around 36,000. In and around 76,000 seats are available throughout India in 2020. Acha, in Andhra Pradesh, in AP, there are 4,900 seats are available. Roughly, approximately, I am telling that. Medical seats are available. Medical seats are available. Out of 4,900, again government college and private college. Government college and private college. Acha, in government college around 2,400. Acha, private college around 2,500. Approximately I am telling you. Acha, again in government college, there are two categories are there. 15% quota all over India. All India में 50% and 85% quota for local. अच्छा, सपोज 18% में अराउंड 19,000 आएंगे, अराउंड 19,000 है. अच्छा, प्राइवेट मेडिकल कॉलेज में अगेन डिवाइड इनटू 3 कैटेगरीज हैं. ए कैटेगरी, बी कैटेगरी, सी कैटेगरी. अच्छा, ए कैटेगरी में अराउंड 1,300 सीट्स है, अराउंड 1,350 सीट्स है. अच्छा, नाउ यू कैन सी, वी कैन लुक इनटू द सिनेरियो. अच्छा, दिस इज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू अस. अच्छा, गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज में सो हाउ मेनी सीट्स आर पॉसिबिलिटी देयर? ओनली 2,000, अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 2,000. अच्छा, प्राइवेट मेडिकल कॉलेज में कितना है? 1350. ये कैटेगरी, आई एम नॉट डिस्कसिंग अबाउट बी कैटेगरी, नॉट डिस्कसिंग अबाउट सी कैटेगरी ओनली. बी कैटेगरी इज पेमेंट सीट्स हैं अराउंड 10 to 20 lakhs per annum. Means payment seats are, I am not discussing about payment seat. Many quota, it is approximately 1 crore. Achha, 80 lakhs to 1 crore. So I am not discussing B category, I am not discussing C category, and A category only I am discussing. In government colleges and private colleges in together around 3,350. 3,350. So our Andhra students are eligible for A category students, both government college and private medical college, around 3,350. Of course, our Andhra students are also eligible for 15% quota in the remaining states. So we have 40,000 seats are available in government college. In that you have to subtract 3,000, around 3,350, around 3,000 approximately. Acha, 37,000 seats are. अच्छा, 37 सीट्स में our AP students are 15% quota. 15% quota is available. 15% of this is around 5,000. Suppose 5,000. Of course, not only AP students, Telangana students also applicable 5,000. Tamil Nadu students also applicable to 5,000 students. So that means this 5,000 15% quota in all over India 5,000 है, and in local 3,350 है. Around in and around 9,000 to 10,000 seats are possible. That means around 9,000 to 10,000, because I can increase 1%, 2% because seat may increase year to year only. So that means 9,000 to 10,000. So for our state around 3,000 to 4,000 for our state AP. Non-local में 6,000. Non-local में all India quota 50% में all India quota 10,000 seats are available for students. But how many students are writing the examination in NEET in Andhra Pradesh? अच्छा, we discussed this year 62,000 है. This is registered number है. 62,000 students are registered है. How many students are there? Right? Maybe 90%, 95% they attended है, appeared है. मतलब 60,000 students are appeared है. अच्छा 10,000 है. अच्छा, what is the ratio? 1:6 ratio. In Andhra, AP, Telangana, etc., the ratio of the getting seats are 1:6 only. Means your child is supposed to be one among the 6. I think you can see this analysis. It is very easy for us only. But most of the parents, most of the students are they feared about that. Sir, 15 lakh students are appearing NEET examination, and we have only 4,900 seats are there. Only 5,000 seats are there in AP, and 5,000 from All India quota. 5,000 only they consider. 15 lakh students are 5,000 seats are available. It is very difficult to get the NEET rank. So this is for their perception only. If you follow these numbers, it is very easy for us, because NEET examination every year 57,000, 58,000, 60,000 only writing examination. For in AP also we consider out of 60,000, we are 5,000 seats are availability there. 5,000 seats are availability there, and 1:12 ratio in AP. In AP, if suppose our students are not going out, if our students are going out, we have possibility is 1:6 or 1:12. Achha, you consider only our state 1:12 ratio. For every 12 students, your students supposed to be one on. It is very easy. For every 6 students, your students are supposed to be one only. This is very clear. Now I am going to tell. So what is the cutoff mark in 2020? So that we can decide whether your child is want to repeat or not. Like in 2020 NEET cutoff. NEET cutoff. So this is my perception, and based on previous last 2-3 analysis, plus or minus 15 and 10. Plus 10 or minus 10 also possibility this cutoff mark के लिए. अच्छा, I go for OC category. OC category. अच्छा, this year might be paper is a little bit easy when compared to last year. More or less same only because of COVID-19 pandemic condition. Some students are not prepared well, but those who are prepared, they can get maximum marks only. Based on paper difficulty level only, I am giving cutoff mark and cutoff mark for them. For OT category, because this is third counseling cutoff only I am discussing, not first counseling or second counseling. 520 plus. If this is a third counseling only I am telling you, not first and second. First counseling is up to 560, 570 only. The third counseling 520 plus or minus 10. Maybe 530 भी हो सकता है, maybe 515 भी हो सकता है. But OC category 520. Now I am requesting all parents and students, if you are in the range of 520 plus, yes, you can wait for up to third counseling only. If you are in the range of 490, 480, you are not interested for BDS, then please you can take an option, you can repeat once again. So 520 plus is a OC cutoff only. Acha, BCA. Now BCB, BCC, BCD. Acha, last is big because this also depends upon out of 60,000 how many students are belongs to OC, how many students are BC, and their marks cutoff also can vary, sir. That's why plus or minus 10 to 15 we can check it. BCA last year 480 hai in Andhra region, and SV region is 470 hai. So this year my range is 470 plus 470 to 485 range is cutoff, plus or minus 10. BCA. Now again same I am giving advice to the students and parents. If you are in the range of 470 plus only, you have to wait up to third counseling. If really you are not interested for dental other paramedical courses, then you can choose your best institution to go for repeater course also. Then BCB again 490 to 500. अच्छा BCC also 480 to 500 है. अच्छा BCD 500 to 515 है. Now SC category 415 to 425 रेंज है. अच्छा ST कैटेगरी है, ST कैटेगरी 390 to 400. This is a probable range for this year, maybe plus or minus 10 based on how many students, category students are appeared for this year. Suppose more ST students are appeared, cutoff will increase. Less ST students are appeared, cutoff will be decreased. More OC students are appeared, cutoff may be increased. Less OC students are appeared, cutoff may be decreased only. Now you can see the scenario, how many seats are available, what are your cutoff score. Based on you can decide whether the students want to repeat once again to fulfill their dreams, or the students are not really not interested, then choose one more their profession, noble profession for them, which is suitable for them only. Now we come to the major. Then the most of the parents are asking me, sir, now you can see after 12th, what are the options? Suppose if students are not getting sufficient mark to enter into the MBBS colleges, means medical colleges only. After 12th, what are the possibilities are there? If you are now already previously we discussed in before session. So less than in OC student open category, less than 520, less than 530 marks, then possibilities if you are not interested for dental. What are the possibilities? After 12th, BSc, BJC, means ordinary BSc. Actually, when these options are, if you are not interested, you have no time, so you are not willing to, your dream is not MBBS, then I am giving the options for you. So BSc, BJC, botany, zoology, chemistry, one option is there. Acha, BSc biochemistry. Acha, BSc biotechnology. अच्छा BSc microbiology, like BSc nursing, means paramedical paramedical courses. अच्छा agriculture, like through MCET also veterinary, like some other courses like B Pharmacy, etc. So these are the options what I am telling you, that some students are really not interested. Means after taking one long term, two long term also, they are not getting sufficient marks, means I am telling the options for them only. BSc, like different categories, because your child is taken BPC తీసుకుంటే your child, there is no other option only. Either they go for either BSc microbiology, biotechnology, like B Pharmacy, like veterinary, agriculture also. Achha, among this is I think demanding is nothing but veterinary. But last 2 years వరకు వెటర్నరీ చేసిన వాళ్ళకి గవర్నమెంట్ జాబ్ కంపల్సరీగా ఉండేవని జస్ట్ దిస్ పర్సెప్షన్ ఉంది, ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ పర్సెప్షన్ ఉంది. బట్ సినారియో చేంజ్ ఇది. వై సినారియో చేంజ్ ఇస్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది veterinary doctors are retired last 5 to 10 years only. So the just completed doctors are joined in their places only. I think right now up to 10 to 15 years there is no vacancy for veterinary also. If students want to lead ordinary life, students want to take any risk factor in their life, then for them is a better chance only. But ultimate is after 12th, ultimate is MBBS only. Ultimate is MBBS. Why I am telling ultimate is MBBS is only. Generally, anybody wants a choice rather than chance only. Acha, here chance versus choice. Acha, we prefer, I always chance versus choice. Acha, which will prefer is choice is preferred only, everybody. So I am telling you what is, I will explain you chance and choice is what. अच्छा इंटरमीडिएट తర్వాత డిగ్రీ చదువుతాం డిగ్రీ తర్వాత ఎంఎస్సి కెమిస్ట్రీనో బోటనీనో జువాలజీనో బై ఛాన్స్ వీఆర్ స్టడీయింగ్ మీన్స్ వీఆర్ ఇన్ సేఫ్ జోన్ ఓన్లీ వీఆర్ నాట్ టేకింగ్ ఎనీ రిస్క్స్ ఓన్లీ దట్స్ వై సో వీఆర్ ఆప్టింగ్ ఆల్ దీస్ కోర్సెస్ ఓన్లీ ఇఫ్ ఎనీబడి wants to take a choice, my ultimate aim, my ultimate goal to become the greatest doctor in the society, in our nation, in internationally also, for them is a choice only. Choice means better you can choose once again, you take one more chance to pursue your MBBS degree only. Don't think about this one only. If you are want to choice, I am telling you one more example only. Suppose you are watching television. In between one program you are watching, in between advertisement will come. What we'll do? We switch over to one more channel. Because choice, we have choice. Manaki remote ledante there is no chance. In our hand there is no remote means you have no chance. You supposed to see the advertisement also. But after all, మనం టెలివిజన్ చూసేటప్పుడే మనకి కాంప్రమైజ్ కాలేకపోతే మన లైఫ్లో కెన్ యూ కాంప్రమైజ్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్? కెన్ యూ కాంప్రమైజ్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్, బికాస్ ఆఫ్ మనీ? కెన్ యూ కాంప్రమైజ్? ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ బిఎస్సి, ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ microbiology, ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ paramedical courses. No, that's the reason why I'm explaining all the things only. I supposed to tell you supposed to take one more chance, one more risk, one more chance, because MBBS is ultimate degree only. But there is a difference between chance and choice is there. Everybody wants to become a choice only, not because of chance only you have to leave it. You're supposed to be great. You're supposed to be great doctors in society only. So MBBS means doctor profession is ultimate. After the God only, the second God is nothing but doctor only. Suppose either teacher or software professionals, everyone is respected, honored in their own institutions only, in their own companies only. But doctors anywhere is honored, whether he belongs to India or UK or USA, irrespective of the age also, everybody will respect to the doctors only. Not only respect, fame, at the same time money simultaneously will come only. Self-satisfaction is required. So if your child is very interested, very keen to interest to pursue their MBBS degree, then you can take a chance. Now once again I am going to explain that who want to take our long-term courses only. For 12th passed students, in 2020. अच्छा 2020లో 12th పాస్ అయిన స్టూడెంట్స్ ఎస్ దే మే టేక్ వన్ మోర్ ఛాన్స్ ఇన్ ఆర్డర్ టు ఫుల్ఫిల్ దేర్ డ్రీమ్స్ ఓన్లీ. అచ్చా నేను ఎలా మంచి అవుతున్నాను చూడండి కండిషన్స్. ఏ స్టూడెంట్ ఇంకో ఛాన్స్ తీసుకోవచ్చు, ఎలాంటి స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇంకో ఛాన్స్ తీసుకోవచ్చు అంటే 12th పాస్ అయిన స్టూడెంట్స్ హూ ఆర్ వెరీ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్, not interested in, this is a very important point. I'm always telling the students also, interested is different from motivated only. Suppose any teacher, any person, any parent motivating the students, that motivation is up to 1 month, maybe 2 months, maybe 1 week only. but interested students are themselves, they can prepare. I'm telling you one example. అచ్చా సపోజ్ మీ అబ్బాయో మీ అమ్మాయికో స్పోర్ట్స్ అంటే ఇష్టం అనుకుందాం. అచ్చా you need not to motivate them because they are already interested. Without any motivation they will go to the ground and they will play themselves also. అచ్చా మీ అబ్బాయి ఫేస్బుక్ లేకపోతే ట్విట్టరో లేకపోతే సోషల్ మీడియానో లేకపోతే వాట్సాప్, దే ఆర్ వెరీ మచ్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ వైల్ వాచింగ్ ఆల్ ది థింగ్స్ ఓన్లీ. అచ్చా మీరేం మోటివేట్ చేయవలసిన ఫేస్బుక్ చూడమని. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఓన్లీ. మరి మనకు ఉన్న డౌట్ ఏంటంటే అందరికీ స్టడీ దగ్గర మటుకి ఇది చాలా కొంచెం ఎంబ్రేసింగ్గా ఉంటుంది స్టడీ దగ్గర. అంటిల్ అన్లెస్ యూ ఆర్ నాట్ మోటివేటింగ్, ద స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆర్ నాట్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ అబౌట్ ది స్టడీస్ ఓన్లీ. అచ్చా ఓన్లీ 5 to 10% స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆర్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ ఓన్లీ. సో వాట్ ఐఎమ్ టెలింగ్ దట్ you are the student, not parent. No, please parents sir, don't pressurize the students only. If students are really interested only, then you can give the support for them only. ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ డే జాయిన్ అయినప్పుడు ఎలా ఉన్నాడో అండ్ లాస్ట్ డే వరకు అలానే ఉండాలి. సో ఇన్ అవర్ శ్రీ రుద్ర మెడికల్ అకాడమీ ఆర్ ఫ్యాకల్టీస్ ఆర్ మోటివేటింగ్ దెమ్ అండ్ క్రియేటింగ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అమాంగ్ ది సబ్జెక్ట్ ఓన్లీ. అచ్చా ఇక్కడ ఒకటి, మీ అబ్బాయి ఇంట్రెస్ట్గా లేకుండా ఏ కాలేజీలో జాయిన్ అయినా సరే ఈజ్ వెరీ డిఫికల్ట్ టు గెట్ ది ర్యాంక్ ఓన్లీ. అచ్చా ప్రజెంటేషన్ ఎంత బాగానే చేయొచ్చు మేము, వీ కెన్ డూ ది ఎక్సలెంట్ ప్రజెంటేషన్ ఓన్లీ. ఇఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ లేకపోతే, ఇఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆర్ రియల్లీ నాట్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ ఓన్లీ, హౌ యూ కెన్ లిసన్? వాట్ ఈస్ ద యూజ్ ఆఫ్ గ్రేట్ ప్రజెంటేషన్, గ్రేట్ ప్రజెంటర్స్ ఆల్సో? సో దిస్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అనేది స్టూడెంట్లో కంపల్సరీగా ఉండాలి, ఉంటేనే లాంగ్ టర్మ్. అదర్వైజ్ ప్లీజ్ students and parents, please don't encourage to do the long term course only. So interest అనేది వాళ్ళకి ఉండాలి. అచ్చా దిస్ ఈజ్ మై డ్రీమ్, దిస్ ఈజ్ మై జాబ్, సో మై అల్టిమేట్. బికాజ్ COVID-19 pandemic situation, everybody have seen that doctors are real heroes only. They have mostly they have saved millions of the people's lives only. So they are heroes only, they are real heroes only. Those actors and etc., those are not real heroes only. So you people are the in future real heroes only. Your dream is MBBS, your dream become a doctor, then be focused and be interested. So interest అనేది నేను ఏదో లెసన్ చెప్పి వెళ్ళిపోయాను అనుకోండి, దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఫర్ అవర్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఓన్లీ. నేను లెసన్ చెప్పేటప్పుడు మీ స్టూడెంట్స్తో, మీ అబ్బాయితో, మీ అమ్మాయితో ఇన్వాల్వ్ అయ్యి ఇంటరాక్ట్ అయ్యి లెసన్ చెప్పాను అనుకోండి, వీ కెన్ క్రియేట్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అమాంగ్ దెమ్ సెల్ఫ్ ఓన్లీ. సో ఫినిషింగ్ సిలబస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఏ క్రైటీరియా. సో మా ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్లో ఎలా ఉందో నేను తర్వాత డిస్కస్ చేస్తాను. సో ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ ఈజ్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ అయి ఉండాలి అండ్ ప్యాషనేట్ అయి ఉండాలి. అచ్చా ఐ కెన్ టెల్ PhD. అచ్చా వాట్ ఈజ్ ఎ PhD? మీన్స్ ప్యాషన్, క్రేజీ, మీన్స్ మ్యాడ్ అబౌట్ దేర్ ప్రొఫెషన్ ఓన్లీ, ప్యాషన్ ఓన్లీ. సో ప్యాషన్ ఉండాలి. హంగర్నెస్ మీన్స్ బర్నింగ్ డిజైర్ ఉండాలి. అండ్ డిసిప్లిన్ అబౌట్ దేర్ అకాడమిక్స్, పంక్చువాలిటీ, టైమ్ మేనేజ్మెంట్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈజ్ ఓన్లీ. అచ్చా ఐ హ్యావ్ సీన్ సో మెనీ స్టూడెంట్స్ డ్యూ కోర్స్ ఆఫ్ ది టైమ్. అచ్చా ఇనిషియల్లీ దే ఆర్ వెరీ మచ్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్. సో ఇనిషియల్లీ దే స్టడీ 18 to 19 hours also per day, and due course of the time, after 2-3 months, their interest is vanishing only. Means they are compromising, they are taking a chance for next year only. So those students are never succeed only. So I am telling you, all the students and parents, comfort zone lo we can't do any miracles only. Great things never happen in our comfort zone only. అచ్చా నా కంఫర్ట్ జోన్ అంటే నేను మొబైల్లో ఆడుకుంటాను, ఫేస్బుక్ చూస్తాను, పబ్జీ గేమ్ ఆడతాను, లేకపోతే ఫ్రీ ఫైర్ గేమ్ ఆడతాను, ఇది నా కంఫర్ట్ జోన్. నా కంఫర్ట్ జోన్లో నాకు ర్యాంక్ రావాలంటే రాదు. I think most of the parents are noticed this during the pandemic condition, COVID-19 condition, because 6 months students are there with you only. So because of students are not focused during this 6 months course, almost they get less 50 to 100 less marks when expected, because we are conducting online courses because of no option for us, because due to government guidelines only. So every student is having mobile phone only. So if students having mobile phone, everybody knows, you might know very well what are the consequences only. So rather than benefit, more disadvantages are there. So they are very much distracted, and the biggest disaster in our life is the latest technology only. So during at least students' life, this particularly up to MBB, up to 12th standard, up to they are joining professional courses, we have to control them only. We have to monitor them only, what they are doing with mobile phones only. So the interest may be vanishing. Of course, your child is very much interested only. So because of some other factor, so his talent is wasted only. His talent is overshadowed by other indiscipline, other mobile phone, other disaster only. Some other factors also there only. So this is the interest hona chahiye, passionate hona chahiye, hunger to success and discipline, more disciplined, down to earth. డాక్టర్ కున్న మెయిన్ క్వాలిఫికేషన్ ఓన్లీ పేషెన్స్, చెప్పింది జాగ్రత్తగా వినాలి, టీచర్ చెప్పింది జాగ్రత్తగా ఫాలో అవ్వాలి. అలా కాకుండా నేను ఓన్ షెడ్యూల్ చేసుకుంటాను, నేను ఓన్గా చదువుతానంటే నో, నాట్ పాసిబుల్ ఓన్లీ. సో హంగర్నెస్ ఉండాలి. సో నేను సాధించాలని తపన, పేషెన్స్, అంటే ఒక చాప్టర్లో ఎక్కువ మార్క్స్ రావచ్చు, ఇంకో చాప్టర్లో తక్కువ మార్క్స్ రావచ్చు. ఎక్కువ మార్క్స్ వచ్చినప్పుడు టేక్ ఇట్ గ్రాంటెడ్గా తీసుకొని, తక్కువ మార్క్స్ వచ్చినప్పుడు డిసప్పాయింట్ అయితే దెర్ ఈజ్ నో యూజ్ ఓన్లీ. మనం బ్యాలెన్స్గా ఉండాలి. ఎప్పుడైనా మన లైఫ్లో డిఫికల్ట్ కండిషన్స్ వస్తే డిఫికల్ట్ కండిషన్స్ని మనం ఆపర్చునిటీగా తీసుకోవాలి. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆపర్చునిటీ ఫర్ అస్ ఓన్లీ. మనకి ఈ డిఫికల్ట్ కండిషన్ గాడ్ క్రియేట్ చేశాడంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటంటే మనం ఏదో చేయాలి. దే ఆర్ గివింగ్ ఛాన్స్ ఫర్ యూ. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆపర్చునిటీ ఫర్ యూ. సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఫేస్ ది ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఓన్లీ. సో ఐ విల్ టెల్ యూ వన్ మోర్ సింపుల్ థింగ్ ఈజ్, వెనెవర్ యూ కెన్ డిప్ a tea bag in hot water, flavor will come. The same tea bag when dipped in cold water, flavor will not come on. సో మనకి డిఫికల్ట్ కండిషన్లో పర్ఫామ్ చేసే వాళ్ళే ద బెస్ట్ లీడర్స్, ద బెస్ట్ పర్సన్ ఓన్లీ, బెస్ట్ డాక్టర్స్ ఓన్లీ. Like everybody knows, everybody I think might be interested in cricket also. So I am telling you, why we are praising Virat Kohli, why praising Rohit Sharma, why praising some other cricketers only, why not all others only? Because like Virat Kohli, in difficult conditions they can execute very well. So those who are taking an opportunity for difficult condition, they will success in their life in any field, not only in student and not other professions also. So take it accepted only, take it granted only. This is a difficult condition. Yes, everybody can accept it only, because government till then not given any guidelines for to opening the offline courses only, so that every institution can conduct the online classes only. So you can grab with both hands for online classes. So utilize it properly for online. Don't go for distraction. Don't go for become a biggest disaster in the mobile phones. So those who are interested and they only can repeat long-term courses only. So long-term course ante just what I am telling you, just your success is postponed. You are not failure. Just your success is postponed. So success is postponed to 2021 instead of 2020. That's it. Right. Next, already first long term and second long term. ఫస్ట్ లాంగ్ టర్మ్, సెకండ్ లాంగ్ టర్మ్ స్టూడెంట్స్కి కనుక ఆల్రెడీ ఒక లాంగ్ టర్మ్ అయిపోయి ఓపెన్ కేటగిరీలో కనుక మీకు 400+. You prepared very well. Leave it this COVID-19 pandemic situation. You prepared very well. You get 400 marks. So previously less than 400 marks. Yes, you also take one more chance, because you might increase 150 marks very easily. But provided you must be very interested only. Otherwise you are not interested, then select any one of the your suitable profession only. Open category. In categories like SC, open or OBC, I am telling you. SC and ST, suppose you can cross 300+, yes, you can repeat this repeated process. And 200, 250, this is not a criteria only, but the only criteria is interested only. If you are interested, you can score 200 to 600 were possible, 200 to 500 also possible. If you are not interested, 450 to 500 also not possible only. second long term, if open category, if you are crossing 450 plus only you can repeat, otherwise don't repeat it. My sincere advice to all the students only. Already రెండు లాంగ్ టర్మ్ అయిపోయి కూడా ఓపెన్ కేటగిరీలో మీరు 450 ప్లస్లో లేకపోతే, బట్ స్టిల్ బికాజ్ మై ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్, మన ప్రీవియస్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఆల్సో, స్టిల్ సమ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆర్ రిపీటింగ్ ఓన్లీ. వెరీ రేర్ కేసెస్. దో 11th చదివి 12th చదివి 1 లాంగ్ టర్మ్ 2 లాంగ్ టర్మ్ చదివిన తర్వాత కూడా మళ్ళీ సేమ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటుంది అంటే వెరీ రేర్ కేసెస్ ఓన్లీ. మీన్స్ ఎనీ హౌ దే వాంట్ టు ఎంటర్ ఇన్ టు ది బెస్ట్ మెడికల్ కాలేజెస్, ఫర్ దెమ్ ఓన్లీ ఐ am సజెస్టింగ్ టు గో ఫర్ one more long term. Otherwise I am not suggesting for second long term students, don't go for once again long term courses. अच्छा, intermediate students, 90% of the intermediate just completed students hai, you take one more chance hai. But anyhow 6 months academic section is over, remaining academic section you can go for it. And one more advice, in our Sri Rudra Medical Academy, this year also we are conducting long term batches. At the same time, this year we are also going to plan to conduct online or offline courses for 11th studying students or 12th studying students. Chapter wise also, subject wise also, we are giving coaching for them only. Since the last 2016 to 2020 analysis, so 11th standard they covering the syllabus 44% to 46%, and 12th standard on average I am telling, 12th standard में NEET exam లో చెప్పాను, NEET exam లో 11th standards నుంచి 40 to 46% questions they are asking, 12th standard లో నుంచి around 54 to 56%. అచ్చా, నేను ఇంకా సింపుల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 2020లో తీసుకుంటే 11th స్టాండర్డ్లో 78 క్వశ్చన్స్ రాసుకడ, 12th స్టాండర్డ్లో వచ్చేసి 102 క్వశ్చన్స్ రాసుక, టోటల్ 180. అచ్చా, మన స్టూడెంట్, మీ అమ్మాయి కానీ మీ అబ్బాయి కానీ ఎందుకు ఫస్ట్ అటెంప్ట్లోనే ఫస్ట్ అటెంప్ట్లోనే నీట్లో క్వాలిఫై కావట్లేదు, లేకపోతే సఫిషియెంట్ మార్క్స్ రావట్లేదంటే మెయిన్ రీజన్ అంటే 11thలో మీ అబ్బాయి ఫోకస్ చేయట్లేదు. 11thలో ఆల్మోస్ట్ 45% క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ 11th స్టాండర్డ్. అచ్చా देखो 80 క్వశ్చన్స్ మీన్స్ అరౌండ్ 320 మార్క్స్. అచ్చా, 11thలో బేసిక్ స్ట్రాంగ్గా పడితే 12th కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ఆర్ ఈజీ. అంటే 11th ఫౌండేషన్ కనుక మిస్ అయితే ఇట్స్ వెరీ డిఫికల్ట్ టు గెట్ ది నీట్ ర్యాంక్. దిస్ ఇస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ది మై perception also. I analyze so many institutions, NEET analysis. So my perception is 320 marks are coming from, sometimes 350 also. 320 marks are coming out of 720, coming from 11th standard. Acha, this is 400 marks around 12th standard. But 11th basic lendi, 12th low 400 marks also we are not up to the mark only. That's the reason why. So they are not getting the foundation. That's why we started this year 11th topics also, chapter wise also, subject wise also. We are giving coaching for them. Whenever suppose the students is enrolled anywhere in intermediate colleges, particularly in village background, remote areas, they have no proper guidance for them only. So that's why we are helping the students. This year we started the online courses for them. So chapter wise also, subject wise also. And 12th anyhow, long term also we are starting offline as well as online courses. Acha, in Sri Rudra Medical Academy, all faculties are experienced faculties only. So more than 15 years experience. Some faculties are more than 20 years experience. So previously we have teaching experience in APMT, and before NEET also we taught NCERT syllabus. So what we are promising on behalf of Rudra Medical Academy, so we are the trainers, we are the mentors, we can convert failure student into success students. How means? So biology in bio, chemistry, I will tell you in simple brief. Acha, I will get on average students, even average students also I will get 520 plus marks. Minimum marks I am telling you. How will you get 520 plus marks? So what are our support on what are our guidelines in order to get 520 plus marks in the NEET examination only? Bio means last to NCERT. Acha, you read NCERT because teaching method is different from institution to institution only. So what is our methodology is only, whenever our teacher taught one particular topic in the class only, the students must read NCERT. So after reading one paragraph NCERT, the students is really interested, they can frame questions themselves only. ఒక పారాగ్రాఫ్ రీడ్ చేసి ఆ పారాగ్రాఫ్లో నుంచి ఒక 4-5 క్వశ్చన్ తయారు చేయగలిగితే స్టూడెంట్, దట్ ఈజ్ ఫర్ ఎవర్ ఫర్ దెమ్. అచ్చా, ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ స్టడింగ్ 3 times 4 times mugging up by hearting nature, this is not sufficient for the really NEET aspirant students only. Acha, NCERT line to line, we will provide them NCERT fill in the blanks only. And we are providing assignment for them also, and this year somehow innovation methods also we are following, that each and every paragraph students are supposed to make a question only. Whenever you are making the question, you know the answer only. You never forget this questions, these answers also. So you repeating this kind of activity, NCERT based activity, the students out of 90 definitely they can score 80 questions only. So 80 into 4, 320 marks, 320 plus marks must get it. Achha, once again, in biology, purely NCERT based. Achha, those who are performing extraordinary beyond our limit, for them we can give this some other topics beyond NCERT, because 4 to 5 questions are asked. But 2019 and 2020 or 18, almost except 1 or 2 question, almost all questions are NCERT based question only. Achha, biology mein the students get 320 plus 340 plus marks. Definitely they can better chance to get 550 marks only. Now chemistry, 2019 and 2020 question paper were very easy tha. Again this is also purely NCERT based. This is particular 2020 questions. Concept of basic foundation questions are only asked. Based on NCERT lines only, they framed the questions only. So concept orientation, because numericals are very less 2019 and 20 papers only. So that means NTA they are focusing on CBSE reading, means NCERT book reading only. So NCERT book reading perfectly you can read it. Then out of so because in chemistry we are going innovative methods are every day one mechanism, every day one exception case in organic chemistry, and formula based questions like conceptual questions means ambiguity questions we can discuss every day in class, not at a time only. So for this exception cases organic chemistry we can score maximum marks. So I am promising that myself is a chemistry teacher, I can teach chemistry for you. So out of this what I am telling, minimum marks, worst condition mein what I am telling that. So 30 question easily you can answer it. 30 question easily you can answer it. So that is 120. Means together is kitna hai? 440 marks hai. Only physics. This is minimum worst condition mein what I am telling that. Or if paper is very easy like this year and last year, so students can answer 35 to 40 question also. So 40 question means 160 marks, means 480 marks only. We are getting physics, bio and chemistry only. Now physics, our expert faculties are there in physics. They will select, because physics some numerical ability is required. No doubt at all. You practice very well in our mentor. Anyhow, physics mein most of the medical students perception is physics is very difficult because more numerical part. So remove a perception. Physics also very easy. Only formula based substitution only. practice more accuracy, more speed is required. That's it. We can increase the speed and accuracy by practicing more questions, more like questions also. So we can select out of 30-40 chapters, we can select only 15 to 20. Of course, we can teach all the chapters only. Acha, smart work, what I am doing is smart work. 15 to 20 chapters. So usually you can score again 30 marks are very easily. 30 questions are very easy out of 45. Again 100 to 120 marks are very easily you can get it. Matlab, getting 520 plus is very easy. Very easy, you have to follow this, because what I am telling that your word is very interested only, I am telling that. So మీ వర్డ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ లేకపోతే నేను ఎంత బాగా ప్రజెంటేషన్ చేసినా, టీచర్స్ ఎంత బాగా ప్రజెంటేషన్ చేసినా అసలు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ లేకపోతే వినాలి కదా, వింటే కదా అర్థమయ్యేది. అసలు వినకపోతే ఎలా అర్థమవుతుంది? సపోజ్ స్టూడెంట్ మదర్ డాటర్ కానీ వాళ్ళ అమ్మ కానీ ఏదైనా స్పైసీ ఫుడ్, ఏదన్నా మంచి వెరైటీ ఫుడ్ తయారు చేస్తారు ఇంట్లో. అసలు ఆ ఫుడ్ అంటే ఇంట్రెస్టే లేదు మనకి. ఎంత బాగా చేసినా, ఏదైనా ఇంగ్రీడియంట్స్ యాడ్ చేసినా, స్పైసీస్ యాడ్ చేసినా, ఏదైనా యాడ్ చేసినా కూడా అసలు మనకి ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటే మనం తింటాం. ఇంట్రెస్ట్ లేకపోతే ఎలా ఉంటుంది? సపోజ్ మనం ఏదైనా సెమినార్కి వెళ్ళాం, ఏదో ఒక హోటల్లో, మంచి హోటల్లో సెమినార్ ఏదో కండక్ట్ చేశారు. మనకు తెలియని సబ్జెక్ట్ గురించి చాలా ప్రజెంటేషను, సెమినార్స్, స్లైడ్స్ అండ్ పీపీటీ ఎక్స్ట్రా జరిగిపోతున్నాయి. ఎక్సలెంట్ ప్రజెంటేషన్ ఇస్తున్నారు. అసలు మనకి సబ్జెక్టే తెలియదు, దాని మ్యాటరే తెలియదు. మనకి ఎలా అర్థం అవుతుంది? అర్థం కాదు. ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటే కనుక మేము చెప్పింది అర్థం చేసుకోగలుగుతారు. అందుకే చెప్పి ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉన్న స్టూడెంట్స్ మాత్రమే లాంగ్ టర్మ్ చేయండి. అన్నెసరీగా డోంట్ వేస్ట్ యువర్ టైమ్ అండ్ మనీ ఆల్సో. దిస్ ఐఎమ్ రిక్వెస్టింగ్ ఆల్ ది పేరెంట్స్ ఓన్లీ. యూ కెన్ డిస్కస్ విత్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్, యూ కెన్ టాక్ విత్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్. రియల్లీ ద స్టూడెంట్స్ ఈజ్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్. Don't pressurize your student and daughter to pursue MBBS degree. Because of your dreams, they are forcibly studying. Some students are forcibly studying this BIPC course only. Don't do this. So, like in our Sri Rudra Medical Academy, so very easy to get. So 520 marks, 540 marks. If you follow our guidelines. So if you follow our assignments, if you follow our weekend examination, if you follow our grand test examination, because we are providing national wide grand test papers like Akash, Allen, Resonance. Mostly we can cover all the questions only, because most of our faculties have worked there also. So this is because we have no time, I will conclude all these things, because previously whenever NEET exam is over, we are conducting one seminar in our institution with the parents, all parents and students. But this is a pandemic condition, COVID-19 pandemic condition. We are unable to interact with you. That's why we are making this video for all the students and parents who have some doubt in their mind whether they want to continue, they want to repeat once again this year, or they want to join in other professional colleges. It depends upon your students' interest only. I am already told you, already explained you. So if any doubts, please contact with us so that we can discuss one-to-one also. Thank you very much for your patience, Regina.